So I recently got a comment in the comment section, and that is the reason for this video. The commenter voiced their opinion about something. They did it in a kind of obnoxious way with all caps, but they had a valid point. Sometimes it's hard to get the items we want, and that's understandable. When a content creator puts a link out there, there's only so much Amazon has in its storehouse. But their comment prompted me to do some research. So I'm going to share my thoughts and that research with you in this video. First off, the question, what came first, the egg or the egg white powder? Just kidding. The first question is this: egg, and pretend this is an egg white carton because I don't have any egg white in the carton at the moment. Only eggs. Pretending this is an egg white carton, you just opened it today. Here's egg white powder. Which of these is going to last longer? Well, we know that carton is going to have a lot quicker use time than dried egg. Why? Because moisture is how bacteria breeds. That's why if you're making something like, say, chicken flour, which I do have a recipe if you want to make your own in 10 minutes, but you need to get it dry because that moisture is where bacteria, molds, and spoilage will occur. So the first plus definitely goes to egg white powder. It's going to be very shelf stable. Now the second thing, again, pretending this is a carton of egg whites. This carton would cost you about $5 at Walmart. This will cost you anywhere from $35 regular price down to, at one time, it went to about $11. That's the time I believe this particular commenter could not get it because it was unbelievably low. So low, I bought 3 of these at that time. Now let's go into actual cost. So this egg white carton here costs $5. Right now, this costs about $26. In order to get the amount of egg whites that you get in this dried powder, you will need 5 3/4 cartons of egg white powder. That would probably be, just doing simple math, in the range of $28 versus $26 for something you can keep on your shelf for much longer. Not to mention the added benefits of this egg white powder. In our diet, I know there are a lot of creators out there using this, and there's a reason, because this will change the way you cook on the ketogenic diet. And now let me share with you why I choose this. Using this allows me one thing. When I use this carton of egg whites, it has a built-in moisture content that I can't control. This is controllable. And in my recent video, it really proves the point. I made a new 2.0 crazy bread. And when I first made the crazy bread, I started with my usual egg white in a carton. I could not dial in where I needed to be. Whereas in my last keto pizza recipe, I cooked the dryness out. But with the crazy bread video, you don't want crispy crazy bread. You want soft crazy bread. I couldn't get it where I needed without it being like quiche. So then I tried egg white in a carton and my egg white powder. I continued to fail. Guys, I was probably about 5 iterations into these two combinations. Finally, I was like, you know what? It's too wet. I'm just gonna go with egg white powder. So I did. I used egg white powder, which allowed me to add the amount of water I needed to finally dial in a perfect breadstick. Go check out my crazy bread recipe, guys. Try it. You'll love it. As always, thanks for watching. Be sure to share this on all the social media platforms. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.